Ahoy, shipmates. It's a wonderfully still morning here in the port of Southampton. Not a breath of wind. And coming across the mirror-like waters is the Marella Discovery 2. Launched in September 1994. Bit of a checkered history here. Previously called Legend of the Seas, from 1995 to 2017, and then in 2017 it was 2E Discovery 2, and then later on in 2017 is now the Marella Discovery 2. Part of the Marella cruise line. Weighing in at 70,000 tonnes, a length of 264 metres, and a beam of 37. Height is 50 metres. And she has 11 decks. I must say these waters this morning really are mirror-like. Yes. Another photo for the cabin wall. Propulsion is by two 5.8 metre diameter propellers, giving a top speed of 24 knots, 44 kilometres an hour for you continental types, or 28 miles an hour. Good old imperial system. Capacity is 1,836 passengers, with a crew of 771. The ship's facilities include a rock climbing wall, a mini golf course, many dining areas and bars, an atrium, 2 pools, a theatre and a fitness centre. Under its previous name of Legend of the Seas, it was the most travelled ship in the Royal Caribbean Fleet, having been based in Asia, Australia and New Zealand, the South Pacific, Alaska, Central America, Caribbean, the Baltic, Mediterranean and the Middle East during her 19-year career at sea. Starting in the winter of 2009, she was based in Asia on a year-round basis. In 2013, she returned to Europe to offer cruises in the Mediterranean Sea. During the winter period, she was based at Fort Lauderdale for Caribbean cruises. In the summer period of 2014, she offered cruises to Northern Europe, where she visited ports in the Baltic Sea and Norway. In June of 2016, the Royal Caribbean sold Legend of the Seas to the UK-based operator Thomson Cruises. Legend of the Seas' last scheduled cruise with Royal Caribbean ended 26th March 2017, before the ship was transferred to Thomson. She first appeared as 2E Discovery 2 in Malaga, Spain, 14th of May 2017. Following the announcement on 9th of October 2017 that Thompson Cruises would be renamed Marella Cruises, TUI Group also announced that TUI Discovery 2 would adopt the name Marella Discovery 2 at the end of October 2017. She was renamed TUI Discovery 2 on the 28th of October 2017 in a ceremony held at the port of Tenerife by members of the ship's crew chosen as outstanding performers by the company, together with the captain. The Marella Discovery 2 also has a sister ship, the Marella Discovery. I think we can see one of the swimming pools on the top. I'm guessing that's the mini golf at the rear. I don't know where the rock climbing wall is though. I think the rock climbing wall is at the very rear on the top side as well. Certainly looks shipshape. White lines are very white, no signs of any rust. The blues are very clean as well. As you can see, there are a few ships in port at the moment. You have the Silver Cloud just to our right. Further at the back there you have the Queen Mary 2. I'm guessing the Marella Discovery 2 is going to keep her social distance between the two cruise ships and slot into this gap here. Oh, just speeding this up a tad. Amongst the extensive facilities on board is a Broadway show lounge, no less, with plush seating and an 800 plus capacity, giving the ship's main entertainment venue professional credentials. They have 11 unique shows, and a high-tech dance piece featuring LED lit costumes. They also have a open-air cinema. Which they supply blankets for and popcorn. I think blankets would be very essential in these northern waters. Perhaps if you're in the Caribbean, it might be warmer in the evening. It really is calm out here this morning. Well, I think she's almost at the quayside. Until next time, shipmates.